Ukulele lesson for beginners number 1, parts of the ukulele. So the design of the ukulele is very simple. I have a pink soprano ukulele today. The big part's called the body back here. This is the bridge right here where the strings attach. We have 4 strings, and the strings are numbered 1 to 4 starting on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Our strings go over the sound hole here, and they go across the neck. This is the neck of the ukulele, and this is called the head up here. And on the head we have our tuners that control our strings, and these help us to tune the ukulele. On the front of the neck, we have the fretboard or the fingerboard, and these metal things that stick out are called frets. You can count the frets by sliding your finger all the way down to the end here. This plastic thing's called the nut. Slide your finger down here and then slide it over just a little bit so that it's in between the nut and the first fret. This is the first fret here. And if you want to count your frets, you could start by doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This ukulele has 12 frets. Those are the basic parts. Make sure that you follow and like this video so that you don't miss the next video in this series. I hope you have a great day.